sa atin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us give it back for the folk dancers. I think nakaganda pa yung panandaliang pause. At dahil pasabog naman pala yung kanilang ending, akala ko nanonood ako ng concert ng sex. May pa-split si Madam. Congratulations to all the group.